This is the pattern. I am using elastic, fabric and fusible interfacing. Add 1 centimeter in seam allowance. If you need, you may fuse the interfacing to the wrong side of the fabric. Fold this piece right sides together and sew the long side. Now I have cut the elastic according to size, and I use a safety needle to turn the right sides out and move the elastic inside. Keep track of the end of the elastic. Pin it. Pin the short edges right sides together with the bigger piece. Pin this piece right sides together and you have the elastic piece in between. And you are going to sew around it but leave an opening of about 5 centimeters. Trim away any excess fabric before you turn the right sides out. At the opening, you fold the seam allowance inside and then you sew a stitch around it close to the edge. And when you have done that, your scarf is finished.